Hello there! Well, today we'll be creating this colour chart featuring Montmart oil paint. Colour charts are very useful for any artist. By the way, if you love art, then don't forget to have a look at the other lessons at our website at www.montmart.net. We also have links to our Facebook and Instagram pages and to our art club, The Creative Connection. These charts are all created on 40 by 50 centimetre canvases. The first step is to rule up the canvas with a series of squares. Obviously, make a square for each colour. We have supplied a PDF that outlines how to rule up each chart that you can find at our website or in the information link above. Lay a line in at the bottom of each square so you can write in a colour name. Once the lines are all penciled, they can be relaid in with a marker. A felt tip can be used to do this, or a fine tip marker, as is the case here. Now we can add some colour. Start with the white, then move to the yellows. We have created another quick tutorial on creating charts for acrylic paints also. And although the colours may be called by the same name, there are actually subtle differences between colours from medium to medium. So it's helpful to have each tone documented to help with colour selection and for mixing. Oil paint has a beautiful rich buttery texture, and there is much variance within the hue depending on how thick the paint is laid on. For this reason, it is good to thin the paint on one side of the swatch. The most understandable way to lay out the colours is to snake them down the page. After the reds, move to the purples, then move to the blues. There are 46 colours in the oil paint range, so the full chromatic gamut is covered. When you create a chart like this, you notice which colours are transparent and which colours are opaque as well. Understanding characteristics like this helps you choose the best colour to use for, say, glazes, or for a colour that may be needed to cover really well. After the blue turns to turquoise, the swatches move to greens. You'll notice I forgot to put in a yellow, so I had to move the zinc to put the new yellow in. Next, the tertiary tones go in, with yellow ochre to the siennas moving to the umbers. I haven't done it on this chart, but some people like to mix in a little white onto one side of the swatch to show how the colour changes when this tone is added. Next, the Payne's Grey is laid in, moving to the black tones. There is a gold and silver in the oil paint range also. I then lay in the zinc and the neutral grey. Well, hopefully you can see the merit of creating one of these for your work area. Thanks for watching. You can share your creative projects on social media using #MontmartArt. We look forward to your creations and we'll see you next time.